At Technishow 2026, we got an excellent opportunity to show what ENCY is really capable of. Over here, 22 leading companies entered into a collaboration called Factory of the Future. At a 450 square meter booth, we were able to show how machines and software will work together in the future. And for the surprise, all the machines are programmed with ENCY. In just 4 days, we were able to introduce 6,000 scanned visitors with a new kid in town, ENCY.